Hello video creators! Have you ever noticed watermarks while streaming videos from various platforms? The majority of videos feature a static watermark, which can easily be erased using watermark removal tools. However, there are instances where you may come across a dynamic watermark, such as in this video, where a moving text occupies a significant portion of the screen. Some video tutorials suggest cropping the section with the watermark. Although this removes the watermark, it also deletes parts of the video, preventing us from enjoying the complete content. Personally, I don't advocate for this method. Other video tutorials recommend using images, text, stickers, or your logo to cover the watermark. And setting keyframes to mask the moving watermark. While this is a workaround, it essentially adds another form of watermark. It still occupies a large area of the video and distracts our attention while watching. So in this video, I will introduce an alternative method to eliminate moving watermarks. This technique will restore the video's original appearance to the maximum extent possible, without the watermark, and minimize the distractions caused by the watermark. Allow me to demonstrate how it's done. Go to the HitPaw.com and download the HitPaw Watermark Remover. The link has been placed below the video in the description. Just have a try. To get started, you can either drag and drop the video which need to erase the watermark. It has 5 remove modes which could fully meet your needs. Smooth filling, AI model, Gaussian blur, color filling, matte filling. Depends on your video. You can select the most suitable one. For dynamic watermark, select the watermark in the first frame. Then click on the This mark. The video progress will automatically jump to the last frame. Move our yellow box to the new position. Then click on the play button to preview. Wow, fantastic! You can barely see any left flaws in it. Finally, click on Export. Let's have a look. If you found that video useful, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.